to my YouTube channel. We're talking about a particular new project called Gram. If you haven't heard about particular project, that means you have been living under the rock or you have not actually been active in the crypto. So if you want to get started, I'll be dropping my referral link in the description and also in the comment section of particular video for you to get started. And actually, this particular project I've shared with my community member about 2 to 3 days ago currently, and they have actually been active mining it. And this particular token, they are actually selling it now. Don't forget that Tone has actually changed their name from Tone to Gram. Yes, but from my research, I noticed that it is not the actual tone that we know that is actually behind this particular project. But one beautiful thing is that you can actually start mining this particular project ASAP now without any auction now. And you can see my mining section is on. In the next 59 minutes, this mining section will be off, and here you could see it say active. It will tell me to claim, and I'll claim, and I'll start another active mining section. So so after that, they have their staking platform here where you can actually stake. And here you can actually, it was yesterday I did all the tasks that was needed. You could see you have completed tasks. And when it comes to your wallet section here, you could see you can actually send this token to any gram anybody having want to. So I think selling it at 13 at 20 depending on the particular amount which and a lot of people are allowed token. But so if I want to send now, let me say I want to send now that I've tapped on the particular send. I will need the individual recipient ID, and the minimum amount I can sell, you can see, is 50 gram. Then you just tap on confirm. That is how the people that have been selling it. And let's say I want to receive, maybe I bought from somebody, I'll just tap on this particular receipt. You can actually test it out. This is my ID. I can just copy it, send it to the individual. Then the individual, that is what the individual will paste in this particular recipient ID and enter the amount and actually send to the individual. So that is how this particular project works, and a lot of people are actually buying it now. And the more referral you have, the more your mining power increase. Currently now I have about 9 referral, and that has actually increased my mining power to around 38 GH plus 8, and you can see my mining rate is already at 0.38 grams. So if you know you have a community that can actually help you to boost it, they can actually boost your mining power and your mining rate. And you can see total token earned, I have earned 5.04. So if you use my referral link now, you'll be getting, I'll be giving you around 10 grams. So try as much as possible to grab it. Don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification so you get notified enter upload any other video. And if you want to join my WhatsApp link, it will be available in this one and also in the comment section of the video. It is free of charge. So let me quickly show you the last thing for this particular video before we wrap it up. So like what I was telling you, you can see this particular message was from Tone, because she say Tone is now Gram. You see, same chain, same network, new name, tickers and logo. That is the only the name that they change. So they say all orders, all Tone holding convert to 1:1 to gram automatically. No swap, no migration, no action required or holder. Why gram? Gram was the original name of the token in Tone first white paper. You see, they are going back to the white paper. That means before it was named Tone, the first name it was that they gave to it was previously gram. So returning to the root, starting a new chapter, Tone remains the name. Tone remains the name of the blockchain. The token is gram. Project and exchange timeline below. You could see it is now live. So when I saw this, I went to my Tonkeeper to look if my tone has actually been converted into gram, and this is what I saw. So after I did that, I logged in, I was still seeing tone. Then I was asked to update the app. Then after I updated the app, everything changed. You could see it's now showing gram, which says X tone. So this was the amount I was having previously on my Tone wallet, and this was the price and everything and the name just changed immediately. So if you have your Tone wallet, you can go and update your app. And if you want to start a particular project, I'll be dropping my referral link in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video, so that you'll be able to start mining this particular token ASAP now before it gets difficult. So if the video was helpful, please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification to get notified to upload any other video. Thank you and bye bye for now.